Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the filters on your Eufy RoboVac 11s. So you can buy these filters from places like Amazon and eBay. So what we're going to do is take out the bin by just squeezing here and pulling it out. I'm now going to go over to my main bin and I'm going to get rid of all this dust. Alright, so it's nice and empty in there now. So what you can do is you can get a brush and you can brush this bit over the bin as well, or just to make it easy for myself, I'm just going to use another vacuum cleaner to vacuum clean it up. And I'm going to take this part out by just unclipping it like so, and I'm going to give this a good clean. Now what we're going to do is just leave that to one side for the moment. Come to this part here and basically press in on this side and it lifts this up, and this is your filter here with this little black filter just here. So you can see that they're very dirty. Every now and then give them a clean out and you will get longer out of your filters, but if they're really clogged up, replace them. So what we have to do is, I'm just going to clean here because you can see all the dust is built up here. Again, using the brush or the vacuum cleaner. And now we're going to be placing the black filter in first. So we're just going to rest that down there. It might want to bend up on yourself. Try to straighten it out. There we go, you can see that's in there nice. And we're going to place this in with the little tab. It doesn't really matter, but I'm going to place it on the right hand side to make it easy to pull out in future. And just put it in there, and you can see that that's gone in there nicely now. It's gone all the way around. It's got a little home that it sits in all the way around there. And now we're going to close it like so. Open it up. We're going to put this back on. I can see there that it's pushed through the foam. There you go. I've pushed that back in now. You can see the foam is sat in there nicely. And we're going to clip this back on. Doesn't matter which way round it goes. It's the same. You can see that we have little tabs here all the way around. So place it in there like so and just clip it into place. You have to kind of manhandle that in. There we go, how clean does that look? So there we have it. That's going to be able to breathe nicely now. And you can see there that that's all nice. So that is it. That is how to change or clean the filters on your Eufy RoboVac 11s. So now when we turn them back on, hopefully you will find that it's picking up nice. Off he goes. Thanks for watching.